Buongiorno, I'm Rebecca, and I'm a Danish-Canadian who settled in Tuscany sometime in the last millennium. Almost immediately, I started tasting, learning about, and working with wine. And so one day, as I was running a wine tour into the Tuscan wine regions, I met this French guy.
Bonjour, I'm Pierre. I was born in a sheep farm next to Roquefort in France. Later, I became a winemaker. I worked for many years in Bordeaux in Languedoc. But one day I decided to open my mind. I took a trip to Florence to discover Tuscan vineyards. And this girl was my guide.
It took some convincing, but after a while, Pierre joined me in Tuscany, and Grape Tours became a real family affair. We then started working with some fantastic local wine experts who today make up the Grape Tours team. Also, our own family expanded with two lovely sons, Julian and Oliver.
What's grape?
Grape Tours run specialized wine tours in different regions of Tuscany. We go always to the best wineries that we have personally tested. A few years ago, we started Grape Trotters, longer wine journeys in wine regions such as Bordeaux, Sicily, Piemonte.
Then, when COVID hit the fan, we reinvented ourselves and opened a cheese and wine shop called Formaggioteca Terroir. Thanks to a lifetime of great connections, we could have a fantastic selection of cheeses and wines for people to taste downtown Florence. From there, we also ship organic wines and olive oils all over the world.
What's next?
We're going to renovate an old Tuscan house in Chianti Classico named Camposasso. We will grow some vegetables, make our own olive oil, keep some animals, and age cheese and wine. Of course, I'm going to make special wine as well, inspired by the Etruscans and the grapes of the world. That's all I can say now.
So, if you love good food and wine too, we hope you'll join us on a wine tour or come taste some cheese and wine downtown Florence. And perhaps one day you could come visit us right here at Camposasso.